Is your peace of mind worth ensuring? In a world brimming with uncertainties, from the digital frontier to the unpredictable forces of nature, safeguarding what matters most isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. We're not just talking about your car or your house here. We're delving into a new frontier of protection, one designed for an increasingly complex and interconnected existence. Imagine a shield, not just for your physical assets, but for your digital life, your innovative projects, and even your personal legacy. Intrigued? Because today, we're unboxing something truly revolutionary, Gemini Insurance Protection. For many, the name Gemini conjures images of groundbreaking AI, advanced technology, and perhaps even astronomical exploration. And you're not wrong. But what if I told you that the same visionary spirit that drives these technological marvels is now being applied to redefine the very concept of insurance? Gemini Insurance Protection isn't your grandma's insurance policy. It's a forward-thinking, adaptable, and comprehensive suite of offerings meticulously crafted for the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. Before we dive deep into the specific facets of Gemini Insurance Protection, let's set the stage. Traditional insurance, while vital, often operates within a rigid framework. It's reactive, designed to compensate for losses after they've occurred. And while that's essential, it often falls short in an era where risks are dynamic, multifaceted, and often unprecedented. Think about it. How do you insure against a sophisticated cyber attack that cripples your business? How do you protect an intellectual property breakthrough that could revolutionize an industry, yet is vulnerable to theft or infringement? How do you safeguard your digital identity in a world where personal data is the new gold? These are the questions that traditional insurance struggles to answer comprehensively. This is where Gemini Insurance Protection steps in, offering a paradigm shift. It's not just about mitigating risk, it's about fostering resilience, enabling innovation, and providing proactive safeguards in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. Gemini approaches insurance with the same innovative mindset that drives its technological advancements. It's about leveraging data, predictive analytics, and a deep understanding of emerging risks to offer tailored, intelligent protection that evolves with your needs. So, what exactly is Gemini Insurance Protection? At its core, it's a multi-layered, integrated approach to safeguarding what matters most in the modern era. It's not a single product, but rather a holistic ecosystem of specialized insurance solutions, each meticulously designed to address distinct and often overlooked vulnerabilities. Let's break down the key pillars of Gemini Insurance Protection. The first, and arguably one of the most critical in today's landscape, is digital asset protection. We live in a world where our digital footprint is often larger and more valuable than our physical one. This encompasses everything from cryptocurrencies and NFTs to intellectual property stored in the cloud, valuable data, and even your digital identity. Traditional insurance policies often struggle to define, let alone protect, these intangible assets. Gemini Digital Asset Protection fills this crucial void. It offers coverage against theft, hacking, and loss of digital currencies and other blockchain-based assets. This isn't just for large corporations, it's for individual investors, artists, and anyone participating in the rapidly expanding digital economy. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your hard-earned crypto portfolio is protected against malicious actors, or that the unique digital art you've created is safeguarded from infringement. This protection extends beyond just financial digital assets. It also covers data breaches and identity theft, offering comprehensive solutions for restoring your digital life and reputation in the event of a compromise. Next, we move into the realm of innovation and intellectual property protection. In a knowledge-based economy, your ideas, inventions, and creative works are often your most valuable assets. Yet, these are incredibly vulnerable to infringement, theft, and misappropriation. Traditional legal avenues for IP protection can be lengthy, costly, and often reactive. Gemini Innovation and Intellectual Property Protection offers a proactive and comprehensive shield. This includes coverage for patent infringement defense and prosecution costs, trademark disputes, and copyright violations. But it goes further. It also offers protection for trade secrets, algorithms, and proprietary data, recognizing that innovation often exists beyond formally registered IP. This type of insurance is particularly vital for startups, R&D companies, and individuals who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, providing them with the financial backing and legal support to defend their creations and ensure their innovative spirit isn't stifled by legal challenges. Then there's emerging technologies risk coverage. The pace of technological advancement is breathtaking, and with every breakthrough comes a new set of unforeseen risks. From the ethical dilemmas of advanced AI to the safety concerns of autonomous vehicles and the vulnerabilities of quantum computing, the future is replete with unknowns. Gemini Emerging Technologies Risk Coverage is designed to address these nascent and often unquantifiable risks. This isn't about insuring against existing known threats, it's about anticipating and preparing for the risks that haven't fully materialized yet. This might include coverage for liability arising from AI-driven decision-making errors, drone accidents, or even the catastrophic failure of complex integrated systems. This forward-looking approach to risk assessment and mitigation is a hallmark of Gemini Insurance Protection, reflecting its commitment to staying ahead of the curve and providing protection in areas where traditional insurers fear to tread. Another critical component is cyber resilience and business interruption coverage. While digital asset protection focuses on the assets themselves, cyber resilience and business interruption coverage addresses the operational fallout of cyber attacks. In today's interconnected business world, a significant cyber incident can bring operations to a grinding halt, leading to massive financial losses. Gemini provides comprehensive coverage for costs associated with data recovery, system restoration, ransomware payments, where legally permissible, forensic investigations, and public relations management in the wake of a cyber attack. Crucially, it also includes business interruption coverage, compensating for lost revenue and ongoing expenses during periods of downtime caused by cyber incidents. This isn't just about financial compensation, it's about ensuring business continuity and rapid recovery, minimizing the long-term damage of a cyber event. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.